Hey guys, this is the assignment that we're going to be working on for the next 2 weeks. I want to go over it with you and show you how to navigate it. So this is the first slide. At the top, we have a must do and how many points it's worth. You get to choose one, and then there's something for extra credit. So the first place you're going to start is here. Just a reminder, if it asks you to sign in, you need to sign into the activities using your school email information. So the first video is from Edpuzzle. It is a video introducing you to the electromagnetic spectrum. It's going to ask you questions along the way. So it says the video one is in this bright blue color. You're going to click it and the link will pop up. You click the link. Here is the electromagnetic spectrum video. These little teardrop shapes are going to be the questions. So as you watch this video, it's going to stop and it's going to ask you questions. If you missed the answer, you can always rewind it and rewatch. If you look at the top, you can see that I am logged in. So whenever you do click on the Edpuzzle, make sure that you log in with your school account. The next thing you're going to do is a scavenger hunt. So this picture, you can click it and click the link and it'll enlarge it with all of these examples. You can also get examples from the video, but the directions say edit the table on the answer slide and then post or copy and paste pictures of things related to different types of light waves. You need at least 3 things that can be found at home. So the answer slide is slide number 3, and I will click that so you can see it. Here, you can put the Edpuzzle score from your first video, and then here is where you will copy and paste the pictures from your scavenger hunt. Find an example of radio waves, put the picture. Find an example of microwaves, put the picture. Now, 3 of these can be found at home. If you're doing this from a phone or if you want to upload the pictures from your phone, you can take pictures of the things found at home or just list them. So those 2, because they're in green, are the must do. The blue is optional. You get to choose. So this first one, if you click this blue link, it'll take you to a YouTube playlist. And on this playlist, you'll see it is going to give you a tour of each type of light wave. Okay, so you can watch a video on radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves, so on and so forth. Now on this section, another option, is playing an interactive game. So you will click this link. It'll take you to a website on NASA, and this is accessible from your phone. And what you do is you just click these little window bubbles, and it's going to give you information on each type of light wave. So there's information on radio waves, and then if you click right here, you can look at microwaves. Now what you need to do to respond is you go to the blue answer sheet, and blue answers go here, and you write a summary of what you learned from the videos or from the interactive game right here. You'll just write a little summary. Tell me what you learned. On the second slide, I have a couple more things that you can choose to do. So here's one more option for the must do. So there are a total of 3 things that you can choose from to get your 80 points. This is just another Edpuzzle, and you will click the image and the link will pop up, and you click the link and it'll pull the video. A second option for the blue, where you only have to choose one, is an Edpuzzle video. So you click this blue link, and there's the link, and it'll take you to another website, where the Edpuzzle website, where you will watch the video and answer the questions. If you are really interested in learning more about distance and space, attached to this picture is another link just for if you have extra time or you're interested. This link is not mandatory, but if you click it, it takes you to NASA's website where they tell you about the Voyagers 1 and 2 spacecrafts that are currently exploring outside of our solar system. All right, and then so for your green must do, So for your green must do, you will input your Edpuzzle score here. You can do your scavenger hunt here. And the third Edpuzzle score you can put here. Your blue, anything labeled in blue, you will write your paragraph summary here. The distance and space Edpuzzle score, you will record that here. Anything else interesting that you learned, you can put here. Finally, the extra credit is this. So I put these at the bottom of the PowerPoint so that you would not be distracted by them. These are things that you can do after you've completed the 2 must do and the 2 must do for green and then one of the blue topics. The red topics are for extra credit. So if you don't complete the little game link, it's going to take you to a list of links for interactive games. Now, something you need to keep in mind is some of these links do not work from phones. So pay attention because I stated what will work from a phone and what will not. So here's the list of links where you can play these interactive games. If you're doing this from a phone, you might see a redirect notice. All you need to do is click the first link shown and continue on to the website. The Glencoe Stars and Galaxies does not work on phones. All it is doing is you're exploring the different elements found in stars and then organizing them on an HR diagram. The second bullet, build your own galaxy or universe, this does work from phones. You can use your phone to do this, and all you do is click the link and you can start building your own galaxy or start building your own universe. There is no code necessary. If you're interested in learning more about our universe, like black holes, other planets or galaxies, anything that scientists have been studying, you can go to NASA's website by clicking on this link and dive deeper into our universe. The final bullet point is Legends of Learning. This does not work on phones. I listed the instructions on how to access Legends of Learnings. I'm going to show you as well. So when you click the link, this is what pops up. You need to scroll to the bottom and click Students Login here. And that's going to pull up this page. You're going to click Play Teacher Playlist and type in the teacher code. You're going to hit or click Sign Up with your class, your school account, and then you can play the playlist that's been assigned. If you have any questions or feedback about that, those types of things can be answered in our office hours. And then I have Quizlet. So the last option for extra credit is creating a Quizlet and using the Learn feature or playing games or quizzing yourself. And then one way that you can track how you did is you can take screenshots or you can just summarize, give some feedback on whatever activity you did. So Legends of Learning, you can screenshot and you can right here tell me. You can put the picture or you can say, this is what I learned from this game. This is what I learned from these articles. Screenshot your galaxy. You can screenshot your HR diagram or give feedback here. And then you will do the same for Quizlet. You will just add in a screenshot of how you did or summarize what you've learned or what your accuracy or progress is throughout the app. Quizlet is one of my favorite tools to use. This is also accessible from phones. You can download the app and get all of the same features. If you guys have any questions about this, please let us know so that we can have a Zoom with you and clarify. You guys have 2 weeks to do this. This is going to be this week and next week's assignment. So the green are the most important. The blue, I only want one. And then the red is extra credit.